Affluent investments, the unseen avenues of wealth accumulation. Welcome to a revelation of wealth-building strategies that remain elusive to the masses. Stay tuned until the end, and you'll uncover financial wisdom surpassing even that of an esteemed MBA program. We present to you 15 investment secrets that the affluent utilize, which remain largely unknown to the general populace. 1. The vintage virtue. Whiskey and wine. The key to wealth isn't just in earning, but in retaining assets that grow over time. Take whiskey, for instance. A freshly distilled 2023 bottle may seem ordinary, but give it 2 decades, and its value soars. Unlike the average consumer who purchases whiskey by the bottle, the wealthy invest in barrels directly from distilleries. These barrels, often stored and sold by the distilleries themselves, can yield returns of 10 to 15% annually. Similarly, since 1988, fine wines have consistently outperformed many stocks with a compound annual growth rate of 10 to 11%, rivaling the S&P 500's average. 2. Collectibles. The niches consider the eclectic world of collectibles. Rare books, vintage comics, unique toys, stamps, coins, sports memorabilia, and even Hummel figurines. These items can fetch staggering sums, like a Pikachu Illustrator card that sold for $5.275 million or a Superman comic book that garnered $5.3 million. Michael Jordan sneakers from the 1998 NBA Finals set a record at $2.2 million. However, caution is advised. Markets can be fickle, as seen with Beanie Babies and NFTs, which plummeted with the advent of generative AI. 3. Timeless elegance. Watches and purses. Have you noticed the penchant for luxury watches among affluent men and the array of designer bags in wealthy women's closets? Take the Hermes Himalayan Birkin, valued at $500,000. These items are not readily available for purchase. They're often acquired through exclusive waiting lists. For instance, a Rolex or a Birkin bag requires building a relationship with the brand, sometimes waiting years for the privilege to purchase. Once acquired, these items can be resold at significantly higher prices due to their limited availability and high demand. 4. The privilege of private banking. While the average person earns negligible interest from traditional banking, the wealthy enjoy the benefits of private banking, yielding returns between 7 to 13% annually. In Europe, offers of 8% state-guaranteed returns on significant deposits are not uncommon. Private banking clients also enjoy additional perks, such as concierge services, exclusive event access, and discounts on luxury goods. 5. The art of investing in art. Art remains one of the most enigmatic investments, with the ultra-wealthy discreetly acquiring multi-million-dollar pieces. Despite market downturns, high-net-worth individuals have doubled their art investments, with the sector expected to grow by $1 trillion by 2026. Platforms like Masterworks are democratizing art investment, allowing more people to partake in this exclusive market. Innovative wealth strategies. The art of diversified investments. Art investment platforms. A canvas of opportunities. Masterworks, a pioneering art investment platform, has revolutionized the art market by selling over $45 million in artwork, with profits directly benefiting its investors. This innovative approach allows you to own a share of a masterpiece, democratizing the art ownership experience. With a flawless track record of profitable exits, Masterworks continues to thrive, even amidst financial crises, offering a unique opportunity to bypass the waitlist for new investors through our partnership at aluex.com/art. 6. Hotel room ownership. Your personal profit suite. Unbeknownst to many, hotel rooms can be privately owned, enjoyed at your leisure, and rented out for income when you're away. Entry costs are surprisingly accessible, with prices ranging from $30,000 to $250,000, though premium suites may exceed $1 million. This model, a cornerstone of Trump's real estate empire, allows for hassle-free international property ownership with built-in management and monetization. 7. Rooftop rights. The sky's the limit. Innovative startups are capitalizing on previously underutilized rooftop spaces by securing rights to install solar panels, benefiting residents with lower energy costs and generating profits from surplus electricity. With the advent of drone delivery services, these once-neglected spaces are poised to become valuable real estate assets. 8. Mineral and water rights. Untapped liquid gold. The story of Jean Balvais, a serial entrepreneur, illustrates the potential of water rights. He purchased spring water rights, bottled the high-quality water, and launched successful brands like Dorna and Aqua Carpatica, which he later sold to beverage giants Coca-Cola and Pepsi. This repeatable business model highlights the lucrative opportunities in natural resource rights, often available through public auctions. 9. Debt ownership. The business of buying burdens. Debt, an unconventional commodity, can be purchased for a fraction of its value. From personal loans to mortgages, unpaid debts are bundled and sold to collection agencies or savvy investors who then attempt to recover the full amount, turning a profit. This secondary market for debt is vast and often overlooked. 10. Coaching and counsel. Accelerating success. Wealthy individuals often employ mentors and coaches to fast-track their progress, bypassing the slow trial-and-error process. While traditionally exclusive due to high costs, we've made this advantage accessible through the Alex app, offering a year of mentorship for less than a meal out, with 91% of users reporting significant life advancements. 11. Private equity and startups. Stake your claim. Entering the realm of private equity doesn't require starting a business. By investing in a majority stake, you can reap the benefits of ownership without day-to-day involvement. For example, investing in a bar or a floral shop can yield returns far exceeding traditional real estate investments. Similarly, early-stage startups offer the chance to secure a significant share of a new venture, with the potential for substantial returns if the business succeeds. This strategy is the secret behind many billionaires' fortunes, as they diversify their portfolios beyond real estate into the lucrative world of business ownership. Investing in emerging markets. The frontier of finance. Emerging markets present a fertile ground for investors seeking growth opportunities. By tapping into these dynamic economies, investors can participate in the rapid development and expansion of new industries and sectors, often outpacing established markets in terms of returns. 12. Capitalizing on emerging markets. Emerging markets are ripe with potential, transitioning into economic powerhouses. Real estate in these regions has surged, but the real opportunity lies in neighboring countries. For instance, north of Turkey lies Georgia, where seaside apartments can be yours for as little as $35,000. Belize is another hotspot, with five-star hotels offering rooms for under $100,000 and promising a 12% annual yield. Beyond the well-trodden paths of Phuket or Bali, Thailand and Indonesia harbor hidden gems with lucrative prospects. Africa's tech boom has made it a fertile ground for investment in office spaces and business centers at still affordable rates. A historical example is the Tamarama neighborhood in Australia, where a cliffside property bought for $10,000 in 1959 sold for a record $47 million, showcasing the long-term value of investing in areas of natural beauty. 13. The square footage strategy in the realm of real estate development. Savvy investors often receive exclusive offers to buy square footage at cost. Developers typically sell a portion of a new building's square footage to private investors, using the funds to secure bank loans. While the exact location of your square footage remains unknown, the cost-price purchase almost guarantees a profit. For instance, a $1 million investment could yield a 110% return over 5 years. Smaller developers offer more accessible opportunities, with investments starting at $50,000 and promising a total of 18% return over 18 months. 14. The hedge fund hierarchy. Hedge funds are financial titans aiming to maximize investor returns, often outperforming traditional banking systems. While the entry threshold used to be $100,000, today, significant capital and connections are required to engage with reputable funds. Consistency is key. A fund might deliver 30 to 40% returns one year and less the next, but the goal is to consistently beat market averages like the S&P 500. Renaissance Technologies, led by Jim Simons, is renowned for its consistent performance, averaging 40% returns over 3-year periods. 15. Marrying into wealth. The concept of marrying rich, often depicted in fiction, is rare in reality. People typically marry within their economic strata, rarely leaping to a wealth class thousands of times higher. Among the wealthy, however, marrying into even greater wealth is more common due to lifestyle similarities and shared environments. To marry rich, one must first achieve wealth independently, increasing the likelihood of entering circles where such unions are possible. The power of networking in the upper echelons of wealth. Introductions can be invaluable. A well-placed connection can lead to multi-million-dollar deals, with commissions reaching staggering amounts for simply facilitating introductions. For example, a $2.5 million commission was paid for arranging a meeting that led to a massive investment. On a smaller scale, finder fees reward those who connect investors with opportunities, even without personal capital investment. Grant Cardone exemplifies this approach, leveraging his reputation to broker deals and retain a significant share of the profits. To attain wealth, it's essential to adopt the mindset and behaviors of the affluent. Anticipating future trends and grasping the underlying mechanics of the financial world enhances your ability to negotiate favorable agreements. If you're prepared to engage in diverse transactions in the future, express your readiness by commenting deal below. This will show how many have gained valuable insights today.